Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all my mystery box I purchased from Scarce. You can find them on Instagram. You go on there, you sign up with your email address, and they will notify you when they drop their latest box. So I purchased a $150 box. Let's get into it and see what they gave me. Alright, so today I got a new box. Came in from Scarce. Scarce Mystery box this time. This ain't the heat. The last video I did was the heat one. So I purchased this one. I actually bought two boxes. Only one came in today for whatever reason. But this is the more cheaper box. They got a $150 box. And then the other one I bought was like $398 with tax. It was like 400 something. Let's get into it. I don't know, but for some reason I just like heat better. I don't know, but we're gonna get into this Scarce, see what they about too. So as you can see, this is Scarce. I'm gonna put the little intro shit in the front. Tell you about the website, how you can sign up, and all that good stuff. But yeah, so the box came like this. It's kind of busted open a little bit. Should be like a flap and shit on it like that, but it's not. So let's see what they gave us for $150. I think it say 1 to 2 items, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. All right, so first, this going back. This is a Chinatown Market long sleeve shirt. How I know that? Because I can tell this motherfucker's heavy. Let me open it up though. Let me give it a chance. It is the middle of summer, nigga. Y'all send me this. Chinatown Market. Y'all see that? There we go. Chinatown Market long sleeve shirt. I don't know if I'll rock this. It's too busy for me. I don't know. But let's see. Don't have a price tag on it. So I don't know what the is going on. I don't know. Alright, so let's see what the second item is. That's it. As you can see, it's just this. It's empty. And it's a 424 hoodie. What the hell is 424? I don't know. But let's dig in a little deeper. Shit, I'm damn near put this on right now. You feel me? But this is a 424 sweatshirt, retail value $350. Now the thing that get me with Scarce is on their Instagram and all that good stuff, they show that you're supposed to get designer brands. So they like be promoting Off-White, V-Lone, Burberry, Gucci, high-end designer clothes, and then they send me these. It seems like a lot of their sponsors get the good shit. Excuse my French. But as you can see, it's a little 424 hoodie. It's a good quality hoodie though. I ain't gonna lie. It said retail for $350, so I guess I already got my money back with that. I mean, I guess I can rock it. Hold on, let me see. Hold up. I'm changing it about the rest, y'all, so y'all can kind of see. And hold on. I'll be back. So I went ahead and threw the hoodie on, you know. Like I said, it's a good quality hoodie. It's thick and shit, you know what I'm saying? So I guess, you know, that worked. But once again, it is summertime. Scarce, come on, man. Send me some good stuff. Man. Hold on. I could try this one on too if y'all want to see it real quick. Pull up. Alright, so first of all, it's a little big, but I think we can work it out. Hold on. See if we button it up a little bit. It's in a large, but this motherfucker feel like an XL or something like that. I mean, let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. I don't know if I'd rather give this away, sell it, rock it. Shit. That's it right there. What y'all think? Let me see this shit, bro. What y'all think about the shirt? I mean, Chinatown Market, nigga, let me know. I guess due to the value of the red hoodie that I got my money back on, I should say. I need to sit. So yeah, I guess I got my money back on that or whatever. So $150 for this and that, I guess. That ain't too bad. Actually, look at that. I'm gonna see what they do when I get my other box here on Monday. I don't know what else to say, but I'm going, yo. Peace.